We are live. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. We have a very good week today in the cryptocurrency market. Altcoins looks as if they are holding their own. Maybe just maybe some of them have found their bottom right now. But one thing's for sure, we might still see more dumb to gobbling town. The last 1 month have seen double-digit losses for altcoins. Pepe is still up over 3,000% in the last 1 month. Where are we heading in the coming days and in the coming weeks? We're still deep in the crypto bear market. Bitcoin is trading above $27,000. Will Bitcoin get to that $25,000 mark we have been talking for? Bitcoin has been ranging since the 17th of February. Bitcoin has been ranging since the 17th of March 2023. We have seen Bitcoin ranging right now for more than 61 days. At some point in time, Bitcoin is going to make a move either to the upside or to the downside. We're also going to take a look at news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. The king of all coins, Ethereum, still trades above $1,800. Is the bear market bottom in? The lowest we have seen Ethereum go in this bear market was when it got to as low as $800. That was way back in June of 2022. We'll take a look at sentiment in the market and what's in store for the altcoin market in the coming days and the coming weeks. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest when it comes to investing. Nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research, study, and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. On the daily time frame, we're seeing some altcoins give us pumps to the upside, but on the weekly time frame, a lot of coins are still down bad. We've seen double-digit gains for some coins in the last 1 week. Litecoin is up 19%. We've been hearing about talks of the Litecoin having coming up very, very soon. Render token has given us a 23% pump to the upside. And guys, some altcoins looks as if they are bottom, but let's not forget, bear markets are designed to get you to buy at the bottom. Bear markets are designed to get you to buy at the top and to sell at the bottom. So let's not get deceived by most of these pump we're seeing. Most of them are just setting up lower highs. Bitcoin, the king of the market, in the last 1 day has gone down to as low as $26,000. But Bitcoin has also held its own. We have seen it found a way to rally back to as high as $27,000. There's still neutral sentiment in the market. The bulls and the bears can't decide where Bitcoin is going. So I will not be shocked to see Bitcoin heading way lower in the coming days and in the coming weeks. Crazy things are happening in the market. Bitcoin right now is slowly dumping to gobbling town. Bitcoin looks as if it might have topped on the 14th of April 2023. We saw Bitcoin pumping to higher prices. Meme tokens were also pumping to higher prices. But those meme coins rally ended in May of 2023. That's giving us vibes of 2021. What happened in 2021? We saw Bitcoin dumping to gobbling town. And when that dump happened, the first initial dump happened, then we saw the rise of meme coins. And coincidentally, that was in May of 2021. That rally somehow ended on the 9th of May 2021. And then we went on a deep dump to gobbling town. We saw the total crypto market dumping by around 50% in 12 days. Now, I'm not calling for a 50% dump to gobbling town in the next 12 days, but history has shown us that anytime meme coins are pumping, anytime we see all coins pumping to higher prices, we might just be getting to the end of that bear market rally. So the $25,000 level is going to be very, very critical for Bitcoin in the coming days and in the coming weeks. News stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. A Bitcoin price capitulation below 26,000 increases as Friday BTC options expiry looms. This week, BTC option expiry could play a decisive role in Bitcoin price potentially trading below $26,000. Bitcoin price lost steam after a failed rupture of $27,500 resistance on the 15th of May, putting bears in a better position for May 19th expiry. The regulatory news flow likely play a key role in trimming investors' risk appetite as governments seek more control over the sector. Bitcoin could be making a short-term bounce. Are we going to see that bounce get to as low as $25,000? A lot of indicators in the market are pointing to a capitulation happening very, very soon. Tether to buy Bitcoin based on monthly net profit. Tether said Bitcoin's centralized nature and its long-term store of value made it an obvious choice for the stablecoin issuer. Tether, the company behind the largest stablecoin Tether, is following in the footsteps of MicroStrategy to manage its reserve. The stablecoin issuer plans to strengthen its reserve with the help of Bitcoin and move away from United States-based government debt. Still on Bitcoin, Valkyrie leveraged Bitcoin futures ETF gets inspiration from TradFi memes. After being initially discussed in 2021, the investment fund is now capitalizing on the meme-worthy ticker for its new leveraged BTC ETF. In the latest futures-based exchange trading fund filing, Valkyrie Fund utilizes one of the popular memes from financial Twitter community known as FinWits to capture attention and interest. The king of altcoins in the market, Ethereum, still trades above $1,800. We have seen Ethereum dump to gobbling time in this bear market, and there's a lot of speculation going around in the market. If we see Ethereum dumping to lower prices, if we see Bitcoin also dumping to lower prices, Ethereum might dump way harder than Bitcoin. We're getting to the portion of the bear market where Bitcoin might be holding strong, and we might see a lot of altcoins dumping to gobbling town from the $1,800 level. If we see Ethereum losing around 6 to 7% of its value, we should see it return to as low as $1,600. Hopefully, Ethereum will find support right there. If not, guys, there's a very, very strong chance Ethereum can easily see a 25% dump to gobbling town in the coming days and in the coming weeks. Now, there's no guarantees that we're going to dump that low, but remember, if Bitcoin can drop like 10%, all coins in the market, especially Ethereum, can easily see a 15 to 20% dump. We've seen that happen before. It can easily happen again. Celsius add over 428,000 ST Ethereum to Lido's lengthening withdrawal queue. The bankrupt crypto lender wants his huge stash of stake Ethereum back, but it could be in for a long wait. Bankrupt crypto lending firm Celsius is anxious to get its stake Ethereum stash from liquid staking platform Lido, which enable withdrawal this week. 3 reasons why Ethereum price could struggle at the $1,900 level. The Ethereum price could come under short-term pressure due to downward trend in deposits, reduced DEX volume, and market share and future data showing traders with a bearish bias. Since May 12, Ether price has been struggling to sustain $1,800 support as investors face pressure from worsening crypto regulatory environment and the Ethereum network's high gas fees. Also negatively impacting Ethereum price are 3 indicators signaling reduced demand for its centralized application and lack of rebate buying demand from professional traders. So those 3 factors why Ethereum price may struggle to break above $1,900 include regulators signal their plans to further limit cryptocurrencies intermediary. We have been seeing battle between government and cryptocurrency firms. BNB Smart Chain attempts to take the lead in DEX volume. Ethereum might have been the absolute leader in centralized exchange volume since inception, but its position is being challenged. Ethereum market share by volume on DEX peaked at 75% in the week ending March 5th, but steadily declined to its lowest level ever, 39.6% in the week ending May 14th. Data shows pro traders are turning bearish. And how low will Ethereum go? We just talked about it, guys. Easily, hopefully we'll find support at the $1,600 level. If not, just like Bitcoin, if Bitcoin starts losing $26,000, if we see Ethereum losing $1,800, the next support level for Ethereum will come around the $1,600 region. If you're just joining the stream, guys, don't forget to drop your questions and thoughts in the live chat. Thank you. Welcome to the channel. Take a look at the US dollar currency index. We have seen the dollar pumping to higher prices, which has always been bad news for the cryptocurrency market. If the dollar continues pumping to higher values in the coming days and in the coming weeks, we might see that pullback in the cryptocurrency market going deeper and deeper. One of the greatest Bitcoin metrics says BTC price bull run is here. Cast aside short-term BTC price weakness to focus on the bigger investment trend, says on-chain analyst Philip Swift. The RHODL ratio creator on BTC price zooms out. Don't panic about small price pullback, zoom out. And according to this metric, Bitcoin has started a new bull market. Guys, do you think Bitcoin has started a new bull market? Fear, depression, and lack of interest continuing. Swift argued that on short time frames, market participants remain risk off on the crypto market. The early stages of a new bull market include people still being afraid to buy. The early stages of a new bull market include people still having PTSD from the long dump we had in Goblin Town for majority of 2022. But smart investors are buying right now. They'll continue accumulating deep in the crypto bear market. Only time will tell how long this bear market will last. But at the end of the bear market, we're going to see huge pumps to the upside. If we take a look at Bitcoin dominance in the market, Bitcoin dominance has been hovering around the 47 to 48% region since the 20th of March 2023. At some point in time, we'll see Bitcoin dominance pumping to higher prices, maybe getting above $50 as we've talked about in different other streams, or we might even see Bitcoin dominance giving us a minor alt season. Maybe Bitcoin dominance can fall one final time to the 44% region. But history has shown us that the last 2 years has seen Bitcoin dominance stuck below 50%. And at some point in time, we are definitely going to break above 50%. So it's that time right now. Because guys, if Bitcoin dominance starts heading above 50%, if Bitcoin dominance in the market starts increasing, it will mean one of two things. Bitcoin is pumping and the altcoin market is not pumping, or Bitcoin is dumping and the altcoin market is dumping way harder than Bitcoin. Only time will tell which of these two scenarios are going to play out, but Bitcoin has been holding strong for the last 6 weeks. If we take a look at the total crypto market cap, excluding both Bitcoin and Ethereum, the altcoin market couldn't rally above the $406 billion region. We got rejected at that level on the 18th of April 2023. We have seen dumps to Goblin Town by around 15% in the general market. Key support level for the total altcoin market stands around the $330 billion region. If we don't find support at that level, we might be heading back to the lows where we got to in December of 2022. And that will be around the $289 billion region. From where we're currently trading right now, total crypto market cap, excluding both Bitcoin and Ethereum, will see a 17.51% dump to Goblin Town. And knowing how volatile the market can be, that dump can easily happen in just 1 week. More news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Crypto.com add pay support for Matic, USDC, and DAI. The cryptocurrency exchange, DeFi wallet, and pay service launched a new update adding support for more countries and tokens. Singapore cryptocurrency exchange, Crypto.com, recently launched an update to its DeFi wallet service, enabling support for fiat to crypto purchases in more countries and 3 new tokens. Ripple acquires Swiss blockchain custody firm Metaco for $250 million. Metaco raised $17 million in Series A funding in 2020. The company raised $20 million in total before being acquired. On the 17th of May, Ripple, creator of the namesake payment network and XRP token, announced its acquired Swiss digital asset custodian and tokenization provider Metaco for $250 million. With the acquisition, Ripple says it will expand its enterprise offering to custody issues and settle tokenized assets, the frame developer wrote. The market is still looking green on a daily time frame. On a weekly time frame, some altcoins are giving us double-digit gains. Is the dump over for altcoins? Are we going to continue pumping to higher prices in the next 1 week? Or are we just seeing the dead cat bounce before that big flush to the downside? Let's take a look at liquidation data in the last 24 hours. The last 24 hours have seen liquidations in the market total over 26,000 traders have been liquidated. More than $59 million have been liquidated from traders, and the largest liquidation happened on Bybit, where one trader was liquidated for $1.2 million. Bitcoin has accounted for more than $16 million worth of those liquidations. XRP accounted for $3 million, and we have Ethereum accounting for over $9 million of those liquidations. Be careful out there, guys. You don't want the bear market taking all your funds. You want to escape the bear market. That's your number one duty to yourself in this bear market. We're still going to see huge pumps to the upside in the future. But if you don't escape the bear market, how will you get all those 10x, 20x, even those 100x pump that will come in the nearest future? If you take a look at the total crypto market cap, we got to as high as $1.25 trillion. That was in April of 2023. Maybe we topped around that level, but right now the total crypto market cap has dropped to as low as $1 trillion. And if we start losing this level, things might start breaking, especially in the altcoin market. I'll not be shocked to see us maybe pump to higher prices, maybe even getting back to as high as $1.2 trillion. If we lose this key level where we're trading, we'll go below $1 trillion. Us going below $1 trillion might spell trouble for the altcoin market, and hopefully we'll find support when we get to as low as the $874 billion region. But for where we're currently trading right now, we'll see the market dumping by 8%. That will take us to the $1 trillion level. If we see the market dumping by around 20%, that will take us below $1 trillion, getting us to as low as $875 billion. And we have a support at that level. Let's take a look at sentiments in the cryptocurrency market. The bulls and the bears can't decide where we're heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks. We have been in neutral for about a week right now. Last week, sentiment in the market was neutral. Yesterday, the sentiment was also neutral. And right now, sentiment in the market is also neutral. We have been in great since the turn of the year. We spent majority of 2022 in extreme fear and in fear. Right now, we might easily just be heading back to fear. We might see some fear return temporarily to the cryptocurrency market, which might tank the price of Bitcoin and other altcoins. Don't fall for all these fake pumps to the upside. Remember, guys, these bear market rallies are designed to get you buying the pump, thinking we'll continue pumping to higher prices. And when we're dumping, you would think we'll continue dumping to goblin town forever. So be careful out there. Chinese persecutors to crack down on PCO innovations in the NFT marketplace. According to prosecutors, marketing models such as reward and dynamic rights and interest can quickly evolve into illegal pyramid scheme. On the 15th of May, the Supreme People's Prosecution of the People's Republic of China, the national agency responsible for legal prosecution, shared its thoughts on the non-fungible token market. In an article, 3 authors outlined the prosecutors' vision of the market risks and the reason to combat them more actively. Distributed ledger tech to save TradFi $100 billion a year lobby group, a new group association, says regulators need to take distributed ledger technology more seriously. Around $100 billion a year or more could be saved if distributed ledger technology was used in traditional market, claimed a new report from Global Financial Market Association. Telegram addresses camera exploits, points to Apple Mac OS security permissions. Messaging app Telegram denies users were at risk after a security exploit was discovered that could allow attackers to gain control of a Mac OS device camera. Interesting to see. More still news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Crypto retail trading should be regulated as gambling. That's what UK lawmakers are saying. The volatility and the purported lack of intrinsic value of most crypto assets make it particularly risky for consumers, the politicians claimed. If we take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, Bitcoin, the king of the market, has seen a 1.1% decline in the last 7 days. XRP has gone up by 5%, Cardano ADA is up by 2%, Dogecoin up by 3%, and Polygon Matic is up 0.6% in the last 7 days. Do you think we're going to see a volatile week? The last 30 days have seen Polygon Matic lose 30% of its value. Solana is down 15% in the last 30 days, Dogecoin 18%, Cardano ADA 14%, XRP 12%. Even Bitcoin, the king of the market, lost 8% of its value in the last 30 days. Ethereum is down 12%. So the last 30 days has given us a glimpse of Bitcoin performing better than most altcoins, which has led us to seeing Bitcoin the market being in Bitcoin season. Now, Bitcoin season means Bitcoin's outperforming on top 50 coins over the last 90 days. And Bitcoin season has always been a good time to accumulate altcoins. Even though we can spend a lot of time in Bitcoin season, right now in the last 90 days, Bitcoin has outperformed all altcoins in the top 50 except Render Token, XRP, XRD, and Stacks. The last 90 days, I've seen a lot of altcoins dump into Goblin Town, but they're not going to dump forever. We have not seen alt season in the cryptocurrency market since September of 2022. At some point in time, I believe we're going to see alt season. Alt season is going to come again, and those altcoins are going to be pumping aggressively to the upside. But the $1 million question is, will you be accumulating right now when we're deep down in Goblin Town? More news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Lightning Labs launches update protocol to help solve BTC BRC20 issues. Lightning Lab has unveiled a new solution to the chunky process of minting new assets on the Bitcoin network. Court victory for Ripple as judges deny SEC motion to seal Human document. United States District Judge Annalise Torres made the order on the 16th of May in a win for Ripple. A motion following the United States security regulator to seal records of its internal deliberation following a speech by former director William Hinman has been denied, a move that has been set as a win for Ripple and the cryptocurrency community. The last 24 hours has seen some coins have huge gains. We have also seen some coins have huge losses. Starting the loser section, Pepe is still on the decline. Pepe's price has gone down by 11% in the last 24 hours. We saw Pepe volume reaching as high as $1.7 billion last week. But right now, the trading volume for Pepe has dropped to as low as $277 million. Casper, Canva, Conflux, and Fracture lead the loser section. In the winner section, we have Render Token up 7%, Axie Infinity up 7%, Mana up 6%, Optimism up 5%, and Max Network up 5%. Senator slammed bank execs for blaming collapse on crypto, pocketing millions. Senator Cynthia Lumens noted that Signature Bank Scott Shea mentioned digital assets 10 times in his testimony about the bank collapse. A former Signature Bank executive has been slammed for seemingly trying to place the blame for his bank collapse on crypto while purportedly being able to pocket millions in bonuses and stock options. The Crypto Unicorn Index tells us we have only 44 crypto projects with a market cap of over $1 billion. The projects with a market cap of over $1 billion are declining. We saw it peak around 58 in the 16th of May 2023. But right now, the market is experiencing dump to the downside, which in turn has led us to see less projects having a market cap of over $1 billion. For context sake, the top of the bull market had around 135 projects having a market cap of over $1 billion. China state-owned Greenland to apply for Hong Kong virtual asset trading license. The real estate developing fintech unit has a digital banking license in Singapore. We are ready to step into the Hong Kong market, the CEO says. A Greenland holding subsidiary is applying for a virtual asset trading license in Hong Kong. The South China Morning Post reported it is the first state-owned Chinese company to do so. An OpenAI CEO, Sam Altman, testifying in historic Senate hearing on AI safety. Altman appeared along NYU professor Gary Marcus and IBM Chief of Trust Christina Montenegro to discuss how the US government should regulate the AI industry. If you're joining the channel for the first time, guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. More videos on the channel every day. Videos on Bitcoin, videos on Ethereum, videos on your favorite altcoins. More videos will be coming soon. Don't forget, investing for the long haul. Don't get too greedy. Don't get too scared. And remember, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research, study, and analysis before making any investment decision. Thank you for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.